Hi, I'm Willow and I'm a student support specialist at Red Mill Elementary School. I love working with children and I love helping them grow and develop to be good kids and good people overall. I go to my 4th grade mentor teacher's room and I usually help her out with whatever she needs helped out with, and then at 11:30 I head downstairs to the kindergarten room and I help out with the students. I help start writing their names, working on numbers and letters. I've learned that you're gonna have some ups and downs definitely working with the younger ones, specifically kindergarten, but all throughout it, it's all a learning experience working with them, but it's all pretty great, it's all pretty smooth.
Hi, I'm Dawn Sanderson. I'm a 4th grade teacher at Red Mill Elementary School. I'd like to learn more about education. What can I change about the classroom? So I get to learn a lot about things that they've learned in their classes or the experiences they've had through high school or elementary school. So it helps me to become a better teacher as well. My favorite part is to have a different eye on a student as well. So sometimes the students feel a little bit more comfortable talking with the student teacher, student specialist. So sometimes they'll come to me and say, hey, did you see this? So that's very rewarding for myself, because when you have a whole classroom of students, sometimes you miss those little things that they feel a little bit more comfortable to do one-on-one. Well, it's very rewarding to have one of my former students. It's very cool to see how much Willow has developed as a young adult. She was a very quiet, shy student in the classroom. So the other day I got to see her coming out with the kindergarten students, and she was taking control of the kindergarten students, and I was like, whoa, that's Willow? It was very rewarding to see how much she's developed also as an adult.
I'm planning for next year to be a paraprofessional for the district, hopefully here at Red Mill Elementary.